This is the front of my house, 7970. This is a state route. Goes that direction and then turns and goes up that way. Ohio State route. Come on, boys, in the store. Come on. Okay, here we go. Some of you have already seen this. Used to be the country store. Used to have gas pumps out front. One time it had a hitching rail for horses. I think these are paddles for making apple butter. I'm not sure, 100%. There's about a 9-foot tall barn door. I just took the angle iron off the back that made that into one panel. So it'll now fold in on itself and yeah, I think I broke my shattering teeth. Oh well. I'll have to work on that. They run all over the top of the table. Here's some big lockers. They, I think they came out of like a high school gymnasium. I think they were like for the football players' equipment. There's 3 sets, 3 units of 4 drawers each. Here's a big double-jacketed steam kettle. This thing would fill up with water in between these 2 jackets and heat the vessel, and then pop that lid open and throw your ingredients in. Some interesting chairs. Not the fact that they're upside down. It's just, here's one of them on its own. Very comfortable. It's like fiberglass. Here's a neat rocking horse, despite the fact that it has these blocks on it. And the horse's head is spring-loaded. You could look at that and, you know, make a pattern out of that. You know, it's just 4 pieces of steel round, you know, bent at each end at 90 degrees, and I love the head. We call that a pie rack. A couple old doors. I got 3 big cases of this plexiglas. It's just a shame that it's not big enough to be any use for COVID protection. Just made a deal for this. It's a cast iron candle holder. Bottom screws on and off. I'm gonna take the bottom and soak the bottom in Evaporest. Here's a nice cast iron piece. Balance beams. Okay, got my supply of paper towels, my supply of bathroom tissue. This goes into bedroom. Big sky kennel there. This is silk screen frames for clocks. A bunch of those. They're impervious to sunlight. Here's an old custom 150 bass amplifier, 115-inch speaker. And that's just some of my stuff stacked up. Miscellaneous chairs, some church pews, all different lengths. You would buy one seat with one arm, and then you'd search through and find another arm and attach it. He went into the church with a chainsaw and just started cutting these things up in half. Okay. That's about it as far as stuff. There's the big deli case. Let's see, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It looks like it's about 45 feet. Probably with taking this square section out, it's probably 40 by 40. A little loft up there. Floor for an old-time canoe. Got our HVAC ductwork. Okay, that's my store. Wouldn't it be lovely to make this into a maker's lab? This is kind of sharp. It's just a cast iron table base. Yeah, there's something to, I'm not sure if that's purely decorative, if that is for weighing something, or if that was actually for livestock. I suspect it was more of a balanced scale. Okay, well, clearly the dogs are restless. They want to get out of here. And I don't blame them. This thing here is on its side. It's an armoire. It weighs 1 billion pounds, and I can't give it away. I had it out on the street for $20. Hi, Buzz. And nobody even looked at it. Okay. I'm gonna walk outside. I'll show you the side of the building and show you where the residence is. So we'll cross the street. Okay, you really can't see anything. There's upper window, lower window, living room, bedroom, upstairs. Upstairs bathroom, entryway. This is our little oasis. We sit out here when the nights are cool. And come on. And then over there's the shop. The real small section with the big window is the main shop. And then down here to the driveway. And there's like the main garage. And then the shop's back in there. And that's all I got, guys.